What's going on YouTube and cryptocurrency family? My name is Harry and I am the Crypto Vet, and I'm coming back at you with another Bitcoin update as well as an analysis. Quick update on Link, Vet, just kind of what I think is going on with the financial market as of now. I am a little bit worried, but thanks again for tuning in. Please like and subscribe. It's the only way that I can get more views and be able to put up more videos, because I really do enjoy doing this. Again, I'm just a doctor/idiot. This is not financial advice, but I've been very successful with the way I've invested over the past couple of years, so I just thought it'd be helpful to share. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. On CoinMarketCap, you can see here that Bitcoin is currently trading below that 9,200 support line that I was really liking. We're at 91.87, down only about 0.5%. Chainlink is at 8 with 3% increase. XRP is sitting still at 19.7 cents there. And we still got some other ones bouncing around. VeChain didn't do as good today as it has been. But if we go ahead and drop back into the Bitcoin chart, I have the Bitcoin USD Coinbase pairing up right now, and we'll go ahead and take off some of these indicators so we can see what the heck is going on. If we just zoom in here, let me see if I can make it a little bigger for you. You can see that we are now trading below the support line, and we have not been able to get above it. So, and then we're also trading on a flat line of support here. So I feel like we're building more of a descending triangle here, and now we're underneath the support that I was really happy with from before. So with this going on, I highly see us testing some of these lower supports, but overall I'm still really bullish. I think if we do drop down, we'll get support at the 9,000, and then from there we could just have a huge bounce up to the top. We're not sitting anywhere in a bad position as far as the RSI, and if I add the VPVR, which shows the volume of orders and buy and sell orders in like a histogram here on the right, we can see that it's pretty fairly matched among all books here, and we're just slowly on the down here because the sells are just a little bit higher, but Grayscale could come in and buy a bunch of Bitcoin, and that could all change. Because I was trying to find the article, but I thought about it right as I was about to record. If we go to let's say the weekly candle chart here and take the VPVR off, from this point here, what is it, March 1st to June 1st, which is Q2 of 2020, Grayscale bought like $750 million worth of Bitcoin. So they pretty much like generated this whole run in a way. But now from June 1st on to is it October 1st? Is it October 1st? Yeah. So that's the Q3. If Grayscale continues to keep buying as much as they do, I would have to do the math on that, but they could potentially keep the price up if they're willing to constantly keep buying it at that price to accumulate for their hedge funds. So that was just a little fun fact. But right now the price mark is like, if we don't get a close here soon above 92.50ish, I'm going to be very, very bearish, and I could easily see us dropping down before we test up. But I feel like we do have enough momentum now to still just bust through these resistance lines here, because they've been on a decline for a long time, and we've broken through and held it as support on a few times. So I think we can still break out. But if we go to the hourly chart here, we're trading underneath some moving average as well as that previous support line. So we're not in any bad territory as far as the Bollinger Bands, except for the fact that they are very, very constricted, showing the low volatility right now. So like I said, any day now we could have this breakout. So that's pretty much it for Bitcoin. If we go to Link, we can see that we are riding the top of the Bollinger Bands right now. This is uncharted territory for Link. But you can see that this is the order I put in. Don't remember what day is this. This is for link. Oh hell, it doesn't even show the damn day down there. But a couple days ago, I put these, practice trades in here just because I really like to, see if my predictions are right, and I like to use fake money before I use real money in my trades, which I'm still working on the video to show you my trading method and give you a good advantage if this does break out up or down, ways to trade it, as well as how to accumulate more Bitcoin. If you did want to scalp trade, I can show you the ways that I've accumulated small amounts just for fun. There's lots of ways to do both the uptrend and the downtrend, including buying shorts and stuff like that, but that would require margin trading, as potentially, depending on where you live, the exchanges and all that. So but I'm going to try to get that all together, so that way if it is something that interests you, maybe there's something that I do that will help you become a better trader yourself. So I'm looking to take profits up here at around I can't even see what that is, 9.41. And even though my prediction based off of a measured move is actually 9.56 or something like that, and then 950 would obviously be a hard point to break, just because it's a big even in the sense. And then VeChain right now was trading outside the Bollinger Bands, consolidated, completely horizontal with an ascending bull flag here. So I highly expect this to keep going. Also, VeChain is doing wonderful things as far as how we can track food safety and a bunch of stuff, and I'll be getting to a video on VeChain, why I think it's important, as well as XRP and Ripple, and how those two companies, I've heard the rumors that they may be joining. Great, I don't know if that's real or not, but the fact that one can fix the global financial problem as far as a currency, a bridge currency, and just linking systems for frictionless payments. We could also have VeChain for offering blockchain consensus on things like food safety, technically smart contracts that would be between large people, so like the rice factory in, I think it was at Shanghai or Hong Kong, using the supply chain, the agricultural supply chain, to check every step of the way and ensure that what was there was actually there, and that nothing can mess with the documents. So both of those offer a lot of utility with lots of scalability and use. So I could easily see this being a little bull flag and us bouncing up and coming right back to this Bollinger Band. So in the next day or so, just based off of time frame, news delivery, things like that, I could easily see in the next 2 days us getting right up there to the 2 cents again, the 2.20 cents. So in my take profit, it's actually again off of a measured move, minus about 50% on the, I think it's the 0.6 Fibonacci, and I'm coming a little bit below that because I want to take profits. I expect another correction / accumulation phase again before we either go up, and then during that time we can assess how everything else is looking. Are we oversold? Are we overbought? And go from there. But all right, well, that pretty much wraps it up for today. Thank you for coming back, checking things out. If you have any requests or comments, let me know what you think. Just write it down below. Again, please like and subscribe. It's the only way that I can get more views, to do more videos, and hopefully get to my giveaways that I want to do here soon. So, but other than that, take it easy.